we have the last animal. By the way, when I say last, I always film 3 of these videos in one evening. Today, my people, we are looking at the Dolphin figure from Safari LTD. I'm not sure if my particular Dolphin is still up for sale or not, but I do know they do have one for sale, and it sells for $5.50. I think it's a beautiful figure. I think it's worth the price. I love having a mix of animals in the collection, and this animal works for me. So let's get into the review. Paint job. The paint job on this figure reminds me a lot of the Beluga, being that it is mostly just one color. I love the eyes, even though the eyes are just black. They stand out amongst the gray. I'm giving this figure a 10 out of 10 for paint job. Sculpt. When I look at this figure, I'm not really sure what I'm looking at as far as a pose goes. Yes, it is a little bit scuffed up. But I do know that it's a pretty wonderful addition to my collection, and it sits amongst the other marine organisms in my collection. I just get the feeling that maybe it's jumping out of the water. I don't know. This figure again gets a 10 out of 10. This figure has an open mouth. Maybe it was in the process of grabbing a fish. I don't know. Maybe it was up smiling at a person. It's a nice looking figure, I'm not gonna lie. Now, it's not a bottlenose dolphin, or at least it's not labeled as such, but I think it's a bottlenose dolphin. For realism, this figure scores a 10 out of 10. Sometimes I wish I had the money to do more with the collection. I could afford to have one of each animal from different companies. Right now I can't do that, but maybe someday. Talk to you guys later. Goodbye.